How to fix TikTok not saving video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and type TikTok. Then tap on search. Tap on TikTok. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find TikTok. Now tap on it, click on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now simply go back. Now tap on permissions. Now scroll down. Now tap on photos and videos. Now give the permission. Now simply go back and restart TikTok. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.